Hey guys, Austin from MeasureSquare here, and today I'll show you how to create an invoice from a quote. We'll want to enter the deal and go to the desired quote. If we can find it in the timeline, clicking on the blue order number is a quick and easy way to get there. If it's not easily seen, we can use the menu on the left to enter the quote as well. Inside the quote, we'll need to jump over to the order section, and then we can add any relevant order forms. Today we'll be adding an invoice. Click plus add. We can see all the relevant information has already been populated, and we can gloss over the data, saving when satisfied. Invoices, much like quotes, can be sent out as an email, downloaded to your computer, or shared with accounting software. As a friendly reminder, let's toggle the displayed information to match our quote from the Customize menu. If you need a refresher, check out our last video on the best way to create a quote, where we go into more detail on this. Invoice banners are a little different. For example, we have options for partial payment or deposit. To make these manual updates, click on Mark As at the top, then Manage Status, and make your selection from the list. As a bonus tip, if we want to get to different parts of the deal, we can make use of the blue text in these boxes. Clicking on the right allows us to enter previous stages of the deal, while clicking on the left will take you back to the timeline. Notice how we go from invoice to quote, and then from quote to diagram. Thank you for watching our video on invoices. Remember to hit your favorite buttons down below, and I'll see you here next time for more quick videos on MeasureSquare CRM.